All right, guys, let's go over to my area so y'all can see what I got going on. Is this thing still holding pressure? Yeah, I pumped it up right to the red about 10 minutes ago, maybe. Still holding, but oh no, I saw that drip. Y'all see that drip? Wait a minute. Ooh, you know what, guys? See, that looks new, guys. Listen, look at this, guys. Okay, this is aftermarket piece of junk. Okay, these do not hold. They do not hold pressure at all. In fact, it's leaking. Look at that. I got the system pressurized. It's slowly going down. I know I saw some coolant under the bottom, and I was like, oh Lord, if it's the water pump. Y'all know how we operate here. They don't want us doing any major repairs on a 2.7. Now, water outlet valve hardly classifies hard, internal engine. But people try to save money and get these little cheapos, but this was the whole point. This weakens the valve, right? With the Schrader valve built onto this, it weakens it. So a brand new Mopar OEM, the valve is on the tube. So it has the correct tube, but the wrong valve. A lot of people will use the same tube, not even change the tube and just change this, because there's nothing wrong with the tube. The magic is going on in the actual valve. And this magic right here, oh, it's yep, drip, drip, drip. That is what's going on underneath. Alrighty, guys, let's go this way. I saw this Challenger, guys. Oh, we got the transmission out of this, guys, and it is a stick, guys. So this is also like a 5.7 Hemi. So most of the stick or manual transmission engines equipped with the Hemi typically not MDS equipped. Okay, now I'm gonna stick by my comment, guys. I have yet to do a ticker job on a Hemi engine that's non-MDS. I don't know if that has something to do with with it. I mean, that can be a long debate about why is that. Okay, I do not know. Where's the transmission? Okay, here's the clutch and the pressure plate. Oh. Okay, I wonder what we are doing here. We might have asked for Tada on time to take a closer look at the internal. I should have gloves on, guys. Don't do this without gloves. Yes, a lot of guys love their manual transmission with powerful cars because they get to do the controlling. They get to decide when and where to change gears. Makes sense, right? Yes, you want that control, guys. I don't understand why a lot of people, it has its advantage and its disadvantage. Racing with an automatic transmission as opposed to a stick where you control the shifting. Oh, this thing over here on the floor. Okay, so, oh man. Normally, like if I suspect a clutch worn out, you'll see a lot of debris, guys, down in the bottom bell housing area. As soon as you pull it out, like a whole bunch of debris would fall. I don't see any debris down here on the ground, so I don't really know. I don't know what he's doing. Let's see, waiting on parts, but this is it's a pretty simple setup, guys. I've taken apart a couple of these. Now, you notice what's missing on this, the exhaust. Of course, the exhaust has to come out. In fact, I think it's over there. There's the drive shaft. I think the whole complete exhaust is on the other table. But I took this course at the Chrysler Training Center. We went through it. They make us tear it all the way down, synchronize it. We go through everything and discuss everything. But guys, if you don't do it like periodically on a daily basis, it's not that it'll leave you because you have your reference manual to go back to, but it's hard to speak on it from a knowledge standpoint because you not necessarily forget, because the manual transmission is a manual transmission. The theory and the thinking behind it has been the same for years. It's just when you're trying to repair one is what I'm speaking about. That's where this discrepancy would come. Yes, guys, I've seen a guy forget to, oh my God, you talking about major problems, guys. That drove him cuckoo. All right, make sure you have the right, correct, the clutch and lining tool. All this stuff matters, man. But I don't know what he's doing as far as what he waiting on. I don't know if he ordered a clutch pressure plate. There's nothing wrong with the trans. It's whining. When he's in gear, it's not pulling the way it's supposed to. All right, differential guys, don't sleep on these. I seen one of these the other day, cracked in half. All of this was busted out. I forgot to get y'all some pictures, but I'm not sure what it caused that. We're not gonna even discuss that on this video. But anyway, guys, that's what's going on over here, guys. I'm gonna go over to the other side. In fact, I'm gonna do that right now, guys. Y'all come along with me. Let's get it, man.
Like he's gotten it out. Okay, the CVT on this Acura. That's right, guys. A lot of car makers utilize the technology of the CVT. Look what kind of fluid. I see that HCF2 transmission fluid. Interesting. All right, but ooh, it is tucked in there. Look how barely can't see it. Wow. Now this is the old one. No sense in trying to build this thing, guys, because there is no parts. Absolutely no parts at all. I had a comment on one of my CVT videos. A guy was telling me, I did a video about replacement of the filter, the cooler filter. The guy was saying they will not sell him that filter. You can't get it. I don't know what that's all about. I never got a chance to talk to the guy, and I lost track of the conversation. But yeah, man, this is an Acura, Earth Dreams technology. Okay. No repairs to that thing, buddy. It is unit time. Pretty much bolts in and out just like a typical car, but what's the difference? Really not much. The technology is the same. It's just how it's bolted up to the vehicle. That's about it. Even the CVTs in our Jeep models, and we got some of them in the cars. The insides are all the same. It's just how they built the case to compensate for car maker to car maker. Okay, this is Acura. This case was designed to fit both up to Acuras. In this case, 4-cylinder engine. But yeah, he got it out. Got it. I'm sure he's gonna fire it up and drive it tomorrow, guys. So stay tuned.